Good morning. I'm Joy Zapata and welcome to Cosmetology 101. I'm going to discuss this morning how to file a nail properly. And in this session we'll be touching on several topics pertaining to nail shapes, and I'm going to give you a proper demonstration on just how to file a nail. The nail, which is referred to as the onyx, is composed mainly of keratin, same protein that's found in skin and hair. And a healthy nail should be white in color and have a translucent appearance and be slightly pink at the nail bed. We're going to focus our attention on this illustration over here and show you the 6 basic parts of the nail. And over here we have 5 nail shapes. These are the shapes that you're going to be working on your clients. You're going to be filing a nail for your test. I'm going to hand out mock nails, and you're going to choose a nail shape. And you're actually going to file it for a grade. There are 6 structures of the nails: hyponychium, the nail bed, the nail plate, the free edge, the cuticle, the nail fold, and the matrix bed, which is the nail root. And the hyponychium, does anybody know what the hyponychium is? Exactly what it is? Well, if everybody holds up their hand, it is actually the little piece of skin that's right underneath the nail itself. It's right underneath here. And what this does is this prevents any moisture, bacteria from getting underneath the nail when you're giving a manicure, so your client doesn't get fungus. That's what this is for. This is the hyponychium. Okay, and the nail plate, the most visible part of the nail, is actually the fingernail itself. This is the nail plate right here. Actually the fingernail itself. And the nail bed right here is where the nail lies on the finger. The root right here, the nail root, the matrix right here, is where the fingernail is formed. It's actually underneath. It comes right out from underneath the cuticle. And the cuticle is the crescent of the nail, and it seals the nail down here, right down in here. So when you're giving a manicure, also moisture does not get through to cause any infection or disease. And lastly, the nail folds, the folds of normal skin that surround the nail plate, the nail fold, also is used for protection so no bacteria, no moisture gets underneath the nail. So now that you can identify the different parts of the nail, these are the materials that you're going to need for your procedure. So how you hold the file is like this, with your 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers like this, and your thumb in the back. You're going to hold your mock fingernail up. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. You're going to hold the file in your hand like this. With the rough side, you're going to hold your mock fingernail, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to finish it off with the finer side and take all those little slivers and all the little loose ends off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish it off at the end and create your shape. So after you're done, you're going to create the shape that you want, and after you're done, you're going to put your emery board down in front of the client. You're going to break it in half, and you will discard it in a receptacle with a top. And you're going to clean up your materials, you're going to wash your hands, and that concludes our lesson on filing nails. Thank you. So this concludes our lesson on filing nails. I am going to pass out some safety bulletins, some precautionary procedure information to you, techniques in nail shapes, and I'm also going to test you at the end of the day. I want you to read chapters 12 in your cosmetology books, and I will test you on nail filing at the end of the day. And so now we're going to get on to our next subject, which will be practical hair cutting. Thank you.